Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will see how we can upgrade Python which is installed in our computer to latest version. So here first I will click on the start button and then I will search for Python and I will open up the Python app which will open up this Python shell, and here we can see that the Python version which is installed is 3.12.4. and if I open up a browser, and in this browser if I go to python.org, which is the official website of Python, and if I take the cursor on this downloads, then we can see that the latest version available is 3.12.6. In order to upgrade the Python that is installed in our computer to latest version, what we have to do is we have to visit this python.org official website and we have to download the latest version of Python. Here I'm going to click on this download for Windows 3.12.6. Depending on when you're watching this video, this version number will be different. Just download the latest version. Now the download is complete. If I click on this folder icon, it will open up the folder where the downloaded files are saved, generally in the downloads folder. And here what we do is we will double click on this file. And once we do that, it will open up the Python setup window. And here we can see this option, upgrade now. If you want to customize anything, then you can click on this customize and you can change the settings in here. But here I will not do anything else. I will click on this upgrade now. If it asks for the permission, then provide the permission by clicking on yes. Now it will upgrade Python. We will wait for this process to finish. Okay, now it says setup was successful. We will click on this close and we will close all the folders and the browser that we have opened. Now if we click on the start button and if we search for Python and if we open up this Python app, then we can see the Python version which is 3.12.6, which is the latest version at this particular moment where I'm making this video. So this is it guys, this is how we can upgrade Python to latest version in Windows computer. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel.